Hello class 4. Welcome back to math class. Today we will start our new chapter number 7, Jerks and Merks. In this chapter we will learn about capacity of different containers and also about the different units of capacity. Let's start our session with one story named Bunny and Bunno celebrate their wedding anniversary. A wedding anniversary is the anniversary of the date a wedding took place. Ask your parents about their wedding anniversary's date and make greeting card for them on that date to wish them. Do you remember the wedding in Bunny's family last year? See the textbook of class 3. You can find the wedding in Bunny's family on the page number 153. Bunny and Bunno decided to have a party 1 year after their wedding to celebrate their wedding anniversary. As we invite our near and dear ones to enjoy the celebration, they also invited their family and friends. They made a special sweet dish named kheer. Kheer is a dish made by boiling milk, sugar and rice. One can use wheat or poha instead of rice. All the animals came running, hopping and even crawling. Long live Bunny and Bunno. The elephant is drinking 50 liters of kheer. Now you have to guess that how much kheer giraffe and cow can drink. Write your answer in the given blank. Clear? Good. Then came the squirrel. She said, I cannot drink 1 liter of kheer. Please give me only 500 milliliters. The donkey asked, 500 milliliters of kheer? Isn't that more than a liter? Do you think that 500 milliliters of kheer is more than 1 liter of kheer? No, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So, 500 milliliter of kheer is less than 1000 milliliters of kheer. That means 1 liter of kheer. The fox said, come on, don't behave like a donkey. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 500 milliliters is half a liter. So kindly remember that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. That's why half liter, that means half of 1000, means 500 milliliters. Then The frog hopped along with 9 other friends. He said, "Oh, we only want 100 milliliters each." "Okay, here is your kheer," said the cat while serving the kheer. She took 10 glasses and poured 100 milliliters kheer in each glass. The donkey looked confused and asked, 10 glasses of 100 milliliters each? How much is that? The fox got another chance to show off. He said, that is simple. 10 times 100 milliliters is? Yes, we know. 10 times 100 milliliters equals to 10 multiplied by 100. Now we know how to solve. Just forget all the zeros. Now 1 multiplied by 1. That means 1 ones are 1. Now put all the zeros. Here we have 3 zeros. So it becomes 1 0 0 0. That means 1000 milliliters. And we know 1000 milliliters equals to 1 liter. So we can say 10 times 100 milliliters is 1000 milliliters and it is equal to 1 liter. Clear? Good. Now look, a group of ants is marching here. The grasshopper said, "The kheer is finished. Now what can we do?" The cat said sadly. "Don't worry, they won't drink much. Each of them will take only 1 milliliter because they all are small in size. That is all. I will share my kheer with them," the elephant said and wiped the cat's tears with his ear. "How many are you altogether?" the elephant asked. "We are only 1000, said the ants. The cat said, "Oh no, 1000! We have to give kheer to 1000 ants." After thinking, the elephant said, "No problem, I can manage. Each ant drinks 1 milliliter of kheer. So 1000 ants drink 1000 multiplied by 1. Now we know if we multiply any number with 1, the answer will be number itself. So 1000 multiplied by 1 becomes 1000 milliliters. They will need the same as the 10 frogs, said the donkey. All the ants drank the kheer. Everyone was happy. They sang and danced to celebrate the wedding anniversary. So here we completed our story. Now let's recall what we learnt. What we learnt. We can measure the capacity of liquid in liters and milliliters. Capacity means the maximum amount that something or container can contain. Liter is the biggest unit of capacity and milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity. We know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliters. Liter can be written as small l or it can be written as capital L in short form, and milliliter can be written as small m small l in short form, or we can write milliliter as small m and capital L in short form. Now it's your homework time. Here I have 3 questions for you. The first one, do you like kheer? Second one, how much kheer can you have? And the last one, can you drink 1 liter water at one time? Do this homework in your notebook. Okay? It is done for today. We will learn many more topics related to capacity in our upcoming sessions. Thank you.